Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove this climate control button right here. Over time the paint just peeled off, and so instead of taking the whole entire thing off, you just replace the button, whichever one you need. I got a few of the buttons right here. I ordered this online. I will put this under the description if you guys ever need it. So to get these buttons off, all you gotta do is press just like that and use it. I bought this kit that come with this little tool right here. Just like that. And then you just match it up to the new one. They're similars. So in this case, I'm gonna remove that one and that one too. So for this one, you gotta do it from the top. Just like that. If it's kind of hard, you could use a pick tool. So pry it out just like that. So we're just gonna put this in the new one, just in like that. This is the max. Just slip it in. And we need the defrost. Let's see here. This one. Like so. So just go around and check to see which one you need. Looks like we need this one too, and that one. Also need that one too. So remove that one. Use your pry tool, just like that. I'm gonna remove this one too. I'm gonna replace them before I forget which one is which. So this one is this one. Just like that. We gotta look for this one right here. This one is this. That's it, guys. I hope this video has helped you out. If it does, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribe. Thanks for watching.